first of all, just click on File, and here hover over on Script and click on Load Files into Stack, and I'm clicking on this drop down and selecting Folder because I have multiple pictures in my folder. And now clicking on Browse, and now all you have to need, go ahead and select the folder where your photos are stored and just click on OK, and then all of your photos will be listed here. Now if you want to remove any photo from this list, just select the photo and click on Remove, and the specific photo will be removed. Now to import all of them as layers, just click on OK. And here, as you can see, all of my images have been successfully inserted as layers.